July 1st, 2019, I'm flying to Vancouver, Canada, where there are tons of unforgettable memories. What I expect the most about this journey is a reunion between me and my homestay family who treat me like true family. I've really missed them since we said goodbye at the airport 2 years ago. Okay guys, here I come.
Prior to landing, I'll have breakfast will be served. Thank you for choosing Air Canada and enjoy your flight.
Hi, how are you? So great to see you again. Look at the girl. Hi, you're so big. Hi. Yeah, me too.
I'm trying to find Yo-Yo.
I can't believe. Hi.
I'm trying to find Yo-Yo.
Yeah?
I don't know what.
Oh, stop your crying. Yeah, I'm here, sir. The reunion between me and my homestay family was so emotional that I forgot how exhausted I am from the long flights. However, I felt happy and kind of lonely at the same time because unfortunately my girlfriend Juhi, sharing same memories with me, couldn't make time to come with me this time because she has to go to work. Juhi might be sad too. So let me just forget the loneliness and live in the moment during my whole journey. I can't wait to see how my journey in Vancouver this time turn into another beautiful memory.